Hello guys, welcome to Ultimate Forex. Today 6th September and let's we see the gold analysis on Iliad Wave. So this is the daily chart frame and we started from this on November 2015. So this is the 5 wave moves. You can see this is you can see this is wave one, 2, 3, 4, and 5th, and this is whole correction. It's A, B, and C. So this is a deep correction. Let's check with the Fibonacci ratio. Yeah, this around 61.8 percentage. You can see now 61.8 percentage. So this is we consider as a deep correction. Yeah, and we are in a third wave. So let's this is inside of this third wave is 5 impulse. So let's confirm with the Fibonacci ratio of this third wave. So it is nearly complete around 261.8 percentage, and either we are in a fourth wave. So we discuss about this fourth wave. Let's try to count the waves. So I can see here this pattern is going as a triangle correction. Yeah, this is the fourth wave. So you can see this is A, B, and C. So we call it as a wave, and then A, B, C, D, and E kind of structure. This is the B wave. So you can get the clear idea if I draw the trend line. This is the triangle, and consider only 2 points. So first one is A, this is 0, A, B, and C, and this B wave is a 5 waves triangle: 0, A, B, C, D, and A. So this E wave may complete around 1970, and the structure we may see in next week like this. So here we might complete the B waves, and we may see a correction towards a C wave like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So what is the level for these C waves? So this may correlation with these A waves. So let's see the what is the Fibonacci of the A wave. This is A wave, and it might complete around this 18.46 or 1766. So first level comes to the 1846. So when we sell uh, here at this level, if we see any bearish candle on 4 hour chart or reversal pattern, then we sell with the SL of this high of this candle, like this pin bar or doji kind of candle. Like this candle, there is most probably the chance of the pin bar or this kind of structure. So we will wait for the confirmation to sell, or you can sell in retest after first wave and completion of the second wave with the SL of high. So our probability is forecast is around 1846, and you can see the, yeah, the third wave Fibonacci ratio is around, our second wave was deep, so this might shallow correction. You can see our 23.6 percentage complete around 1860. So either 1860 or 1724. So these two level keep in mind, 1840 to 57, and below this 1840 to 1724. So for next week we may see the level around 1970 and then downtrend up to the 1860 or 1840. So don't buy in this area. And another correlation of this wave is like this. You can see between 1861.8 to 78.6 these A waves of this A wave. And yeah, we can see exactly 78.6 percentage of this A wave, this C wave. This C wave is 78.6 percentage of this A wave. So what is next? If we see 78.6 percentage and it comes to 1976, 61.8 is around 1964. So this is the zone we can see the difficult for the bull. So in this zone you may alert 1964 to 1976. So this is the chart for the coming week. Hope you guys understand this pattern. This is simple A B C correction, and B wave is a triangle A B C D E. And after this completion of B wave, you can see any teeny 5 waves and then retracement up to the 61 or 38.2 percentage. Then you can sell here after 5 teeny waves. You most important is this C wave is in a 5 wave structure, 535. So this wave is important. So hope you guys understand the video. Thank you.